Hi friends, this is Priyanka. Today let's finish the Salesforce Administrator Certification Maintenance Spring 20. I would like to explain the concepts of Spring 20 releases. So first let's go to the module. So in this module, like we are going to learn about create a URL or custom button to navigate to a record page with the default field values, and we need to Salesforce is providing assign task to a queue to share work efficiently, and we can also improve lightning pages with guidance for app builder, secure your sandbox with sandbox data with Salesforce data mask package, so combine duplicate cases with case merge, and also we can clone opportunities or campaign along with their related records. So I have already done my quiz. I will show you. So the first question of the quiz is, what is the feature of admin? What feature should an admin configure to allow users to create a new record with pre-populated values? So he has to create, basically we need to create custom button, and then only we can write the formulas. Sales representatives needs to share the task workload with other sales representatives. What feature should an admin recommend for this requirement? So we need to assign the task to the queue. Sales representatives are experiencing low performance on lightning page loading. Where should an admin review suggestions that address this issue? Basically Salesforce is providing tips like menu tips, so review the tips in the lightning app builder. An admin is providing a sandbox for service representative to train on the service console. What should an admin use to abstract sensitive data when creating the sandbox? So as discussed, data Salesforce is providing data mask package to secure the sandbox data. So where are merged cases accessed? When case merge settings are enabled with keep duplicate cases after merging selected. So we can see the all the case merges in the merged cases related list. What feature should an admin enable to allow users to duplicate a campaign with all its member statuses? So clone with record action is a new feature available from Spring 20. We can use that in order to enable in order to allow users to duplicate a campaign. So this is the quiz. Now let's go to the hands-on challenge and finish the hands-on challenge. So this is the in this hands-on challenge we are going to create some permission sets and group permission sets based on user job function for easier management. For this we need to launch a new Salesforce Trailhead. And go to setup. In the setup, in the quick find box, we need to enter permissions. In the permission sets, we need to create new permission set. And the permission set name is case read only. Save it. enable read and save. Let's look into the challenge, what else we need to do. So we created the permission set case read only and we enable read only. Now we need to uh, make the fields read only. For we need to enable read access for account name, case, reason and description, and we need to save it. We are done. Now we need to create permission for the leads with the name manage leads. For leads we need to give edit access and save it. We give edit access and we need to now we need to give app permissions for it. Convert and transfer leads. Once you enable convert leads and transfer leads, just save it. We have created app permissions, like we have enabled convert leads and transfer leads. Now we need to create the permission set group name sales of. Let's create. Go to permission set groups and create new permission set group. Name it. Save it. In the permission set, we need to grow. We need to add the permission set. Case read only and manage leads. Add. Done. Now let's check the challenge. We need to refresh it. Hey, we successfully finished our Salesforce admin maintenance module. Happy learning.